emergent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Ashland County, southwestern Medina County, northwestern Wayne County until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Ashland and moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Ashland, Polk, West Salem. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Please report hail and strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Medina, and Wayne.
The forecast for Cuyahoga County. Severe thunderstorm watch 290 in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Tonight.